Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. Today we're going to create the cloud skin makeup look. I'm sure you guys have seen it all over TikTok. It's going viral everywhere. It's basically like a glow from within, soft hazy type of look. And just think about like the sun shining through the clouds. That's what we're going to achieve. So let's get to it. So for our base, we use an Iconic London Super Smoother Blurring Skin Tint, and I'm in the shade Warm Deep. So this is an ultra hydrating skin tint that delivers blurred, flawless second skin. This skin tint also gives you a luminous glow that is buildable, and it lasts up to 12 hours and it dries down to a semi-matte finish that lasts all day. Love this skin tint. Flawless as my skin look. Now it's time for the brows. We're going to be using the Iconic London Brow Silk Max Hold. This is literally the ultimate product for fluffy brows. And one thing I love about it is that it applies white so that I can use it as a guide and I can see where I've applied the product. And then it completely dries down clear so you can't see anything. You can see. How amazing is that, right? It's literally fluffy brows in a bottle. So now it's time for my favorite part, which is blush. We're going to be using the sheer blush in the shade Power Pink. But one thing I love about this blush is that it's nice and buildable and so easy to blend. The cloud skin makeup look is all about a buildable base without it being too harsh, because you want to look subtly sun-kissed. Also, there is no contour involved in the cloud skin makeup look, so just keep applying as much blush as you would like until you get the desired makeup effects that you want. So now the part that I've been looking forward to is the Iconic London Rollaway Glow. Givers are perfect for every skin tone. It literally gives you the most luminous, candlelit within glow that you would ever want. And it's perfect for the cloud skin makeup look as it gives you a gleam instead of like a really sharp pop of color. And because it's a roller, it's less messy and it's perfect to literally put in your makeup bag on the go, because who doesn't want to glow on the go? I do. So this is shade Champagne Chic. How cute is that? And this one is Peach Paradise. So I'm going to go with the shade Peach Paradise. So to achieve the cloud skin makeup look, you want to apply it on the highlight of your cheek like that. Literally so much comes out of here. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Doesn't it make it look like a ray of sunshine is just beaming down on me? So this is this side with the Rollaway Glow, and this is without. I'm obsessed with this. Do you see that? I'm going to put it on this side now. And it's super easy to blend as well, which I am obsessed with. I'm going to apply some of that on my brow. In the corner of my eyes. Let's apply some up here as well. Don't I look nice and glowy? Do you see that? Do you see how soft that looks on my skin? It's amazing. Now that we're all nice and glowy, let's apply Iconic London's Triple Threat Mascara. One thing I love about this mascara is the brushes. It just coats through literally every single lash. This eye first. One thing about this mascara is it's weightless, volumizes your lashes. As I have very, very straight lashes, I find that this mascara does keep my lashes up all day and into the night. Literally look at the difference between this one and this one. Such a major difference. This is what I mean. This mascara really just lifts your lashes. It's insane. I'm going to do this eye now. Let's finish off the makeup with Iconic London's Lustre Lip Oil in Sugar Mumma. It's so nice. I am now finished with the makeup look, and I have to say I'm obsessed. I just love how all the products just merge together to give me this beautiful cloud skin makeup look. Don't forget to follow Iconic London on Instagram and TikTok so you can keep up to date with all the products and launches that they have coming out. All the products that I use will be down in the description bar below, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye babes!